Hey guys, welcome to my third video on the Google Photos playlist, and today we are going to talk about sharing with Google Photos. The best way to share pictures is by creating little albums and sharing them directly from Google Photos. You will have to select all the photos that you want to share from any device. I usually use my phone. Once you've selected them, you hit the plus on top and then shared albums. The other options under this plus helps you to make little creative modifications to your photos or to just create an album to organize your images better. I've shared a couple of albums with a few of my friends, and let me show you how I did that. From the pictures in my Google Photos, I created an album called Europe Through My Eyes and created a shareable link by clicking the share icon. That's the share icon, by the way. This creates a link and you can copy it directly from here and send this link via email, text message, or however you wish to send them. Once the person who you want to share it with receives this link, he or she will have to click this link for the first time in order to be included in the shared album. And once they're included, they don't need this link anymore. They can just log into their Google Photos to their computer. You know how to do it. product.google.com, or they can just log into the Photos app on their phone or tablet. Once they've clicked it for the first time, in order to come back to this shared album, all they have to do is click on menu, shared. That's the menu icon, by the way, and in all Google apps, that's how it looks. You can find all the albums that you've shared by clicking on albums in among the three tabs. And in case it's a shared album, you'll see a little shared batch in the bottom of that album. You can also share the little gifts that Google Assistant makes for you. I spoke about the gifts in my previous video. In case you want to share these gifts, all you need to do is hit the share icon and send it to your friend. Google reminded me of the new phone I had purchased 2 years ago, and it showed me all of the pictures that I took on the day that my phone had arrived. I took these pictures on my old phone, in fact, and that phone used to have Google Photos, and that's how I have it on my Google account right now. Without Google Photos, it would be a nightmare to organize all of these photos from my old phone and make it accessible on my new phone. It just works. I remember that my roommate was with me when the phone arrived, so when Google reminded me about the phone, I sent a link to him, and you can see all the images that I've shared with him. Also, I can leave a comment if I want to say something in specific to him, and the comments that I leave will remain over here. When I come back to the album later, his responses and my responses to his responses will all be recorded over here. In order to share these animations or collections or activities, as Google calls it, with your friends, it's the same drill. You get the shareable link by hitting the share icon, and you send it to your friend via email or text message. All they need to do is click it and they have access to the album. That's how you share with Google Photos. Remember that it does not make a new copy of all of your images. Instead, it just creates a smart bookmark of all the images you chose. So don't hesitate to make albums and share it with your friends. It's much more organized with albums. That's been it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more good stuff and keep learning.